We've been working with the letter W this week, and one of the things that begins with the letter W is weather. Okay, now we usually talk about the weather every morning. There's all different kinds of weather. Weather begins with the letter W. So I'm going to show you some pictures, and you're going to tell me what kind of weather you think it is. Let's look at this first picture here. What is the weather like there? Yeah, it's sunny. What can you do on a sunny day? On a sunny day, we can go outside, we can play. It looks like this girl's having fun out on her swing. Maybe she's at the park. Okay, so there's lots of things we can do on a sunny day. Maybe you could ride your bike or play in your yard. Okay, so those are things we could do on a sunny day. Let's look at this one. What kind of weather is that? That's cloudy. Okay, it says it is cloudy. You see all those clouds in the sky. It kind of looks like a cloudy day today. Right now it's pretty cloudy. I think it might rain later, but right now it's pretty cloudy. All right, let's see what else we have. What kind of weather is this? What kind of weather is that? Yeah, it's snowy. Okay, we see the snow. No, does it snow when it's hot outside? No. What does it feel like when it's hot? When it's snowing. It's cold. Okay, when it snows, it's cold. And we see the boy is wearing his hat and his gloves, and he's got his winter jacket. He probably has some snow pants and snow boots on. So when it's snowy, it's very, very cold. We need to bundle up. Let's look at this one. What kind of weather do you think is happening in this picture here? It's windy. Yes, it's windy because we can see that the flags are blowing and the girl is trying to hold her hat on so it doesn't blow off of her head. So it's very windy. Some days are very windy. The other day it was so windy the trees were swaying back and forth. Okay, let's look at this picture here. What is the weather in this picture? It's raining, right? It is raining. How can you tell it's raining? Because you see the rain coming down and they're holding an umbrella. We would use an umbrella when it rains, and I think it's going to probably rain a little bit later. I like it sunny. Here he's at the beach. How many of you like when it's sunny? What is your favorite kind of weather? My favorite is when it's warm and when it's sunny. So what is your favorite kind of weather? Do you like when it snows, or when it's rainy, or when it's hot, or when it's sunny, or when it's snowy? What do you like best? All right, we're going to be talking about different kinds of weather today and things that we would wear in different kinds of weather. Before we do that, I have a little song. Okay, it goes like this. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather? Do you know? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is there wind or is there snow? Okay, you want to try that with me? All right, let's try it. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather? Do you know? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is there wind or is it cold? All right, so today it's Friday, kind of cloudy right now. It's probably going to rain a little bit later on. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to first look at this picture here of this boy. It says, what should he wear? Now, it's raining, it's pouring. Is this boy dressed for rainy weather? Let's take a good look at what he's wearing. What do you think this boy is wearing? Let's say he's wearing his bathing suit and a swim shirt, and he's got his swim goggles. He's wearing gloves and a scarf. Is that what you should be wearing when it's raining? No. What do you think you should wear when it's raining? Maybe a raincoat or rain boots, an umbrella. Those are the kind of things you wear when it's raining outside, not what he's wearing. All right, we're going to open up to the inside, and we're going to play a little matching game, okay? You're going to help me with this so you can kind of see what we should wear for certain weathers. And then we're going to make something, okay? So it says, dress for the weather. Let me move this over a little bit here. All right, let's look at this first box here, this purple box. It says, what would you wear in rainy weather? Would you wear a raincoat, ice skates, or rain boots? What do you think we would wear? Would you wear a raincoat when it's raining? Yes. Would you wear ice skates when it's rainy weather? No. Would you wear rain boots when it's rainy weather? Yes. So when it's rainy weather, we wear a raincoat and rain boots. All right, let's look over here at this yellow box. Let's look at the yellow box. What would you wear in hot, sunny weather? Okay, so here we see it's hot and sunny in this picture here. What would you wear in hot, sunny weather? Would you wear a winter jacket or parka when it's hot and sunny? No. Would you wear a baseball hat? Yeah, you might. When you're outside, you might want to wear a baseball hat when it's hot and sunny. Or a t-shirt. Would you wear a t-shirt? Yeah, that's what it looks like they're wearing, a short sleeve shirt. It's a good thing to wear when it's hot and sunny. All right, let's look at this one. Okay, it says, what would you wear in cool, windy weather? And we can see this is windy because we see her hair blowing, and she's holding, this is a pinwheel. And when the wind blows, the pinwheel, the colors spin around and around and around. So what would you wear in cool, windy weather? Would you wear flip-flops? No, when would we wear flip-flops? Yeah, when we go to the beach when it's hot and sunny, right? We would want to wear flip-flops on a cool, windy day. Would you wear a sweater? Yeah, you can wear a sweater. That's what she's wearing. She's wearing a sweater. And what about snow boots? Do you need snow boots on a cool, windy day? No, we would wear snow boots on a cold, windy day. All right, let's see. Here we have winter. It says, what would you wear in snowy weather? Would you wear a sleeveless tank top in snowy weather? No, that'd be way too cold to wear that. Would you wear mittens in snowy weather? Yes. And would you wear a snowsuit in snowy weather? Yeah, that's what she's wearing since she's outside building a snowman. So in rainy weather, we'd wear a raincoat and rain boots. In hot and sunny weather, you might wear a baseball cap and a t-shirt. When it's cool and windy weather, we might wear a sweater. And in winter, when it's snowy, we'd wear mittens and a snowsuit. I want to ask you something, okay? Here we see the children are in a classroom. They're talking with their teacher. It says, Emily, Elizabeth, and her friends wanted to play outside. Now it's raining out, and they have to stay inside. They feel disappointed. What should they do? Let's think about that for a second. Should they scream and cry? That's probably not a good idea, right? What could you do if you have to stay inside? We've been having to stay inside for a while. Yeah, when the weather's bad, you could stay inside, you could play some games, or you can color, or you could read, and then you can maybe make plans to go outside on another day, okay? So now I'm going to put this down, and we're going to do something with our different kinds of clothes that we would wear. Let me just take this poster off, put this away. And now we're going to take this paper here, okay? Take that paper. And the first thing we're going to do, let's look at these pictures here on our paper. What kind of weather do you think this is? Yeah, we see the cloud and the rain coming down. So that'd be rainy weather. And what about this? That's the sun, so it would be sunny weather. And you see this here? Looks like the cloud is blowing something. That'd be wind. Wind. Okay, that's wind. And here we see the little snowflakes coming down, so that would be snowy. Down on the bottom, we see children wearing different kinds of clothes. We see this little girl's wearing her bathing suit, and this boy is wearing his hat and scarf and winter snow pants and winter jacket. And this girl is wearing a rain hat and raincoat and rain boots. And wow, look at that girl. Looks like her hair is blowing all over the place. Very windy there. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our paper and then we're going to cut across the bottom here. Okay, so let's take our scissors. Okay, remember when you take your scissors, your thumb goes in the little hole on the top and your other fingers go in the big hole on the bottom. You always want your thumb on top. Scissors always point away from your body. Now, holding your paper with your helping hand, what we're going to do is we're going to cut straight across this line, all the way across. Okay, let's look very carefully at our paper. You don't want to chop your pictures apart. You want to go right across that dotted line all the way to the other side. Okay, so now we have our pictures cut out like this. Now I'm just going to put this up here on my board because we're going to be using that in a little bit. Okay, so I'll leave that right there. All right, and now we're going to cut out our pictures. And what we're going to do is first we're going to cut around the outside on those dotted lines on the outside there. Okay, so again, very carefully, go right on the lines. Okay, and cut that off. And you're going to cut across this big line on the bottom. Be careful not to cut your pictures apart. Okay, you don't want to cut any part of them off. And then we'll cut this outside line here. Okay, so now this is what we have so far. And now you see these dotted lines in between the pictures? We're going to cut those lines now also. Okay, very carefully, right on those dotted lines. Right on those dotted lines. And the last one. Okay, so now let's look at all of our pictures. Again, we have raining, sunny, windy, and snowy. Let's look at all of our pictures. Okay, we have the girl in the bathing suit. We have the boy wearing his winter jacket and snow pants. We have the girl wearing her rain clothes. And we have this girl with its super windy weather. So let's look at our weather here. And let's see which pictures we're going to put where. Let's look at this first picture here. Okay, we see the cloud with the rain. Which picture do you think we're going to use when it's cloudy, when it's raining outside, cloudy and rainy? Would we wear our bathing suit when it's raining outside? No. Would we wear our winter jacket and snow boots? No. Which one do you think we should wear when it's raining? Yes, this one. Find this picture here. The girl is wearing her yellow rain jacket and her rain hat and her rain boots. Do you remember that silly word that we said that people call rain boots? Galoshes. Oh, isn't that a silly word, galoshes? Okay, so we're going to have the girl wearing her rain clothes, and we're going to put her right underneath that rain cloud. So let's take your glue stick, and we'll put our glue on the back of your picture. Okay, spread a little bit of glue on there. And then we're going to press it right in this box underneath the rain cloud there. Okay, now remember, when you use your glue stick, only turn up a tiny bit. Okay, let's look at the next one here. Let's see, what is this? It's sunny. Okay, it's sunny. Maybe it's hot and sunny. So let's see, if it's hot and sunny, would you wear your winter coat and hat and snow boots? No. If it was hot and sunny, would you wear a jacket and be blowing all over the place? No. What should we wear when it's hot and sunny? Our bathing suit. Yes, find the picture of the little girl with her bathing suit, because when it's hot and sunny, you'd wear a bathing suit. Maybe you go in the pool or go to the beach when it's hot and sunny. Okay, put your glue on the back, and we're going to press her right in there. Okay, when it's hot and sunny, you'd wear a bathing suit. All right, this one is windy. Which picture shows what you'd wear when it's windy? What does it look like when it's windy? Can you find this picture here? Okay, we see the girl, she's wearing a jacket and she's wearing her boots, but her hair is blowing and she is blowing all over because it's very, very windy. Okay, so we'll find that picture. I'll put that picture underneath our wind. That right there. And the last one is snowy. Okay, and when it's snowy, it's winter time, so we take the boy wearing his snow pants and snow jacket, hat and scarf, and we'll put that under snowy. Okay, let's put that right here. Okay, so let's go over this now. When it's raining, we could wear a rain jacket and rain hat and rain boots. When it's hot and sunny, we might wear a bathing suit. When it's windy, we would need a jacket. Oh my goodness, you better hold on. Kind of blowing around there. And when it's cold and snowy, we want to bundle up with a hat and scarf and jacket and boots and snow pants. Okay, so let's do our song one more time. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather? Do you know? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it wind or is there snow? All right, what's today's weather? Right now it's cloudy, but I bet later on it's probably going to be raining. I'll see you later.